How to log into Indigo Credit Card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you guys how to successfully log into your Indigo Credit Card account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any preferred web browser in your mobile device or your computer and go to indigo.myfinanceservice.com and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across the official website of Indigo Bank, and here you have to locate the login portal in the right side of the screen that is indicating login to our secure server. And in the designated area, you have to enter the correct form of your user ID in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password. And if you are yet to register into your account, you can simply go ahead and register your account by clicking on the link over here. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can simply go to Forgot your username or the password option in order to successfully retry or reset your password. For that, you have to enter your username, last 4 digits of your card, the correct form of your date of birth, and your social security number, and reset your password. In order to reset your username, you have to enter the 16-digit account number, your date of the birth, and your social security number, and click on Request Username to retry your username. And after you have entered the correct form of your credentials in the first and the second field, simply click on the login button that is highlighted in orange color in order to successfully log into your Indigo credit card online account. And after logging in, you will be able to access your credit card. So this was all about it. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.